guys, welcome to another makeup tutorial. Today I will create this neutral glam look with subtle metallic eye for you. So let's begin. I already have done my skin prep and now is the time for primer to blur all skin imperfection. For foundation, I am using 2 pumps to have a medium coverage. To do the contour correctly, it's very important to understand the facial features. As I have very sharp nose, I don't place the cream contour on the sides of my nose, but I contour the nose tip to make it look softer. Using little concealer, I am now uplifting my face. And whatever is left in the brush, I am applying it on my eyelids and then setting everything with loose powder. Now brows are very important and should be done carefully. I am filling it with little product to have natural look. For eye makeup, first I am applying a little neutral metallic shadow on the inner part, then a brown tone metallic shade on the middle, and finally a dark brown metallic shade on the outer part. I have a mistake to fix here. Then with a light matte shade, I am blending the edges. Then I am applying a light pink matte transition shade. Then I am applying very little metallic aqua green shadow on the inner side. Next I am applying truly little milky white metallic shadow on the middle. Then I am mixing 2 matte shadow of this palette and applying it on the crease. Then I am applying a little warm brown shadow on the outer side of my crease. Then with a clean brush, I am blending everything to have a seamless effect. Now I am applying a light transition shade on the lower lid. Then I am mixing the rose pink and the deep brown shadows and applying it on the outer side. Finally, I am highlighting the inner corners and brow bones with very little products. As my eyelid space is narrow, I prefer the voluminous mascara more than the lengthening one. Again here I'm fixing a mascara stain today. Now I'm doing a little more setting of my face with the face powder. Now is the time to warm the face with some bronzer. For blush also, I am adding very little product to have a subtle look. Finally, I am lining the lips with a dark brown lip liner that adds a definition to the lips. For lipstick, first I am applying a mauve pink shade, then to tone down and mute the color, I am adding a little light neutral tone lipstick over it. So after setting the face with Fix Plus, now is the time to fix the hair. I am wearing Aqualens Spicy Grey Lens today. So thanks for being with me and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.